Now that we know how to do ARP spoofing and becoming the man in the middle using ARP spoof, we're actually not going to use it anymore. As I said, we're going to use a tool called Zanti2. Now, we've actually used this before to discover all the connected devices. We're going to see it now how to use it to do man in the middle attacks using ARP poisoning. So the first thing that we're going to see is how to sniff usernames and passwords. We did this before using the bad USB attack with T-Shark. Again, you can actually use T-Shark in here with ARP spoof like we did before and sniff usernames and passwords. But as I said, now we're going to use another tool which actually makes it much easier. So I'm going to run Zanti2 here, and as you can see, it's already discovered all the devices. And as you know, we're actually attacking the Windows device today. So this is the Windows device here, so I'm just going to tap it. And then I'm going to go to the man in the middle attacks here. And I'm just going to turn this on right now. I'm turning off SSL strip for now. I'm going to turn this on. And that will do ARP poisoning and place me in the middle of the connection. So let's go here. We'll just verify that by doing an ARPA. And as you can see that the MAC address is changed to my MAC address in my Kali Linux or in my NetHunter device. So that means that the attack was executed successfully. So I'm going to go to bing.com like we did before with the bad USB attack. And then I'm going to go to free sitemap generator again, because this only uses HTTP. And I'm gonna log in with a fake account, just any name. So I'm gonna say Zaid at yahoo.com, password 123456, enter. And back here on our NetHunter device, I'm gonna go on view logged requests. And as you can see here, we can see the websites that were accessed. So we can see that we accessed the Mozilla.net website, which is Firefox's website. And then we accessed domain of Google. And then we accessed free sitemap generator right here. And as you can see here, we have accessed bing.com. And as you can see here, for free sitemap generator, it's in yellow, so it's highlighted for us. And it says that we have one password in here. So that's what I meant. It's easier. Like, you don't need to open the packets file in Wireshark like we did before. So I'm just going to tap this here. And I'm going to swipe to the right to the passwords. And you can see that the username was zaid at yahoo.com. And the password is 123456. And the user was trying to access a free sitemap generator control panel. Okay, now you can swipe left to get the request, so you get all the post and get requests that we had. You can get the user agent, so we know now the user uses Mozilla Firefox 5, so you can again go ahead and look for exploits for this particular browser and try to attack that browser. I'm going to go back right now and show you another feature of Zanti, which is SSL strip. Now, we saw before how we can do that manually, how to use SSL strip manually. That's why I actually like to teach you how to do stuff manually first, because these apps and these tools, they do work well and they're nice, but sometimes they fail. So if you know how to do that stuff manually, you can go ahead and do it manually if these apps fail. So I'm just tapping here on SSL strip and it says that it's on. So we should be able to, if we go to mail.yahoo.com, we should go to the normal Yahoo and not the HTTPS one. And we should be able to sniff the username and password. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to mail.yahoo.com. And as you can see here on top, we didn't go to the HTTPS one. So we should be able to sniff this username and password. So again, I'm going to log in with Zaid. I'm going to call it Zaid2 at yahoo.com. And the password, I'm going to make it 987654 now. And again, let's go back here. go on the view logged requests. And as you can see, again, the Yahoo website coming in yellow. We tap it, it's telling us that there is one password. Navigate to the passwords, and you can see that the username is Zaid and the password is 987654. I really like the way this filters the username and password and makes it so easy to read and access. This is the whole point of using your mobile. You want to do stuff quickly, so you either just save it on a file and analyze it from your laptop, or you want something like this that just gives you the information really quick. Another feature that I want to show you in this video is just capturing the images. So let's just go to images.yahoo.com and just search for anything. So let's just say cards or hackers. Now we go back to our device and I'm gonna tap on logged images. And as you can see, we can actually see all the images that showed up, or that the target person have seen or like accessed on his browser. So just another easy, nice feature to see. Now you can also do DNS spoofing using Zanti. The only problem with DNS spoofing here is that it redirects all HTTP to the target that you specify. So you can't actually just redirect one website. It's going to redirect all websites or all requests to the website that you're going to put in here. So that's why if you want to do DNS spoofing, you're going to have to do it the same way we did it with the bad USB attack, because that way we can actually only hijack one website or one domain, which will make it more difficult to the target to know that they are being attacked, and it's also more professional and smarter, because redirecting all the traffic is just really easy to discover that you're actually trying to attack that person or that website. So again, if you want to do DNS spoofing, I don't recommend using Zanti. You can just go and do it the same way we did it with the bad USB attack. You just have to enable the ARP poisoning here, or do it with ARP spoof like we did in the last lecture, and then do it with DNS spoof.